Want to know how to change your language in Agent GPT for more flexibility? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your language so that you can work around better according to your language. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Agent GPT website. So you can just simply get towards agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here. And now, once you're under this interface, on the leftmost side, you should be seeing settings right here, below help. So you can just simply select that. And now once I've selected settings, here should be saying language by default. So you can just simply select this drop down box right here of language. And here should be saying various languages popping up. So you can also search and type through it and just simply select it. And you can just simply refresh the page and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily change your language in Agent GPT. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.